If you're looking for a powerful way to improve global employee retention, Oyster is the solution you need. This guide will show you exactly how to use Oyster to manage and retain employees worldwide. By the end of this video, you'll understand how this software can help streamline your global workforce management, allowing you to focus on what really matters, building long-term, happy teams. Before we dive in, don't forget that you can try Oyster for free through the link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses for our viewers. But let's jump straight into how you can use Oyster to transform your employee retention strategy. Oyster simplifies hiring, onboarding, and managing employees globally, which is essential for any company looking to expand their team beyond borders. With its user-friendly platform, you can manage everything from payroll and benefits to compliance, all in one place. Oyster also provides full-time employment contracts, ensuring that your team members are legally protected regardless of where they're located. One of the key features of Oyster is its global payroll service, which allows you to pay employees in their local currencies, ensuring that they're always paid accurately and on time. This is crucial for maintaining positive relationships with your remote team and keeping retention high, especially in international markets where people value timely payments and local currency support. Another aspect that makes Oyster stand out is its focus on compliance. In different countries, labor laws and regulations can vary widely, and staying compliant can be a major challenge for businesses operating globally. Oyster makes this easy by automatically updating its platform to ensure that your contracts, benefits, and taxes are in line with local laws. This not only reduces your administrative burden, but also builds trust with employees who know they're working within a legally compliant framework. When it comes to employee retention, Oyster also helps you manage benefits that are competitive across the globe. Offering benefits that cater to the unique needs of employees in different regions can make a huge difference in keeping them engaged and satisfied. Oyster lets you customize benefits packages to meet the needs of employees in various locations, from healthcare to retirement plans, boosting employee morale and loyalty. The software also offers tools for team collaboration and communication, which are key in retaining remote workers. It ensures your employees feel connected and part of a larger company culture, even if they're working from different time zones. Regular check-ins, virtual team building activities, and performance reviews are easy to manage through Oyster's interface, making employees feel valued and engaged. With Oyster's analytics, you can track key retention metrics such as turnover rates and employee satisfaction. This data gives you actionable insights that can help you make informed decisions about improving your employee retention strategies. By identifying areas where employees might be at risk of leaving, you can proactively address concerns and retain top talent. If you're serious about global employee retention, Oyster provides the tools you need to do it all. Manage payroll, ensure compliance, offer competitive benefits, and stay connected with your team. It's all about providing a smooth, reliable experience for your employees, which will keep them happy and loyal to your business for the long term. Don't forget, there's a special offer waiting for you. You can access Oyster for free through the link in the description, along with an exclusive extended free trial that's only available to viewers of this video. This will allow you to test the software's capabilities for yourself and see how it can revolutionize your approach to global employee retention. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to use Oyster to keep your global workforce engaged and happy. Try it out and see for yourself how easy it can be to manage your international team with this powerful platform.